What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to make a basic, easy snack. That's gonna only take like 10 or 15 minutes. So now you guys are so busy doing your own things. All you gotta do is get some black beans right here. Put it on a little tiny skillet. Go ahead and make a little crater right there. Get an egg. Pop it right in the middle. And get your cheese of choice. I got some Mexican style right here. And just sprinkle it on top. A little more cheese. And that's it. Look at that. Oh. Put in your little, I have a little air fryer thing. It's a faux tile something. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and set it on air fry for 350 degrees. Put it in for 15 minutes. Put the light on. See you later. Ooh, look at it, it's almost done. Yes. I got 5 minutes left, but I'm not waiting anymore. Oh. Look at that. Super basic, easy, and healthy. Delicious too. Add some salt and you're done. Enjoy.